These are the top 3 things on my radar from an AI perspective that have the ability to completely change the collision industry in the future, and I'm going to break them down for you. This is future state stuff, but this is things that are already being worked on and will be here sooner than you think. Okay, this is going to sound a little bit like sci-fi, but the first one I'll share with you is what is called the guaranteed estimate. It's basically an arch that you drive through. It's got some cameras, but all the intelligence is actually done by AI. So it analyzes the damage, and about 90% of the time, it's going to be able to guarantee an estimate once it's come out the other side. And the way it works is it's a financial technology play as well as an AI play. And so as it goes through the arch, it's going to say, okay, I think it's $5,000. If it goes to the shop and the shop says, no, it actually costs $6,000 to fix that vehicle, the customer, whether that's the insurance company or the customer pay element of it, they will pay $5,000. The underwriting company will guarantee that estimate. Will say, okay, we're going to give the shop an extra $1,000 to top it up. That's how confident they are that they can get it right more than they can get it wrong. Basically, you drive through the arch, it's an instant approval. Go ahead and start fixing the vehicle. For an insurance company, that opens up all kinds of doors to settle claims quicker. There's no friction, there's no LAE or loss adjusting expenses. Like, think about where this could potentially go for our industry. It gets very exciting really quick. And so you're going to see that coming out to the market in 2026 as it's being piloted right now. Number 2 is going to be robots powered by AI. And you've seen these from Tesla. You've seen me walking around with some humanoid robots. Those are coming. They're still a little ways away, but in the shorter term is painting robots. They're actually here already and starting to be put into production. So this one is Black Wolf, their Dakota version. And you can see that it's spraying parts, it's spraying vehicles. And the neat part is you still need some painters helpers to go and mix paint and to load the paint guns and to run the robots, but it takes the skill level down in the paint booth and gets your product pumped out in a timely fashion. So you're going to see the painting robots really starting to take off. AI is bridging that gap and helping them more intelligently paint cars. And number 3 is serving up advertisements that customers actually want to consume. And this is something that's been frustrating for me for years, is a lot of times when we're advertising to a customer, it's their cue to ignore us. It's have a TV ad pops up and they're off to the bathroom or going to get some snacks and they're ignoring us. This is where AI will now be able to, in the middle of your favorite TV show, social media feed, when you're scrolling through things, it will actually add to what you're consuming. So if it's a movie and right in the middle of the movie, maybe the building in the background is your body shop. Maybe the billboard they're driving by has your branding on it. Maybe the coffee cup that they're drinking out of will have your logo, your branding on it. And you can get very granular. You can say, I only want to serve my ads up to people that live in a certain demographic, maybe within 10 miles of your shop. This is where you can hyper target those folks. And so this is something that's coming. It's going to be really exciting and really powerful because people are already paying attention, and advertising and marketing, you want people to pay attention. And that's exciting. So those are a couple things that are on my radar right now, and there's lots more that are coming, but those are a couple fun ones I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk again real soon.